Well friends, here is problem number 50 and the given question is, yes, how many rectangles are there in the given figure? And the options are 10, 12, 13, 14. So we have to find total number of rectangles present in the given figure. So the procedure is, yes, first you have to give numbers to all small parts and then find whether the individual part is going to give you the specified geometric shape and then go for combination of parts. So first step, I will give numbers to all small parts. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So there are total 5 small parts present and all the small parts are going to give you rectangle. All the individual small parts are going to give you rectangle. So I will write this here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All the small parts are going to give you rectangles. There are total 5 rectangles present. Now go for combination of parts. Part 1 and part 2. If you combine part 1 and part 2, you are going to get 1 rectangle. So 1 plus 2 gives you rectangle. Now part 1 and part 3. Do you find a rectangle if you add part 1 and part 3? No, it is not a rectangle. Part 2 and part 4. No, it is not a rectangle. Part 3 and part 4. Yes, it is a rectangle. Part 3 and part 4. And now moving to part 3 and part 5. Will you get rectangle? No. Even if you combine part 4 and part 5, you are not going to get rectangle. Okay, total how many rectangles we got by combining two parts? Yes, only 2 rectangles. Now moving to, yes, combination of 3 parts. If you combine part 1, part 2, part 3, do you get rectangle? Part 1, part 2, part 3? No, you are not going to get rectangle. If you combine part 2, part 3, part 4, do you get? No. If you combine part 3, part 4, part 5, yes, there is a rectangle if you combine parts 3, 4, 5. So one rectangle can be formed if you combine part 3, part 4, part 5. Next, is there any other triangle which can be obtained by combining 3 parts? No. So only one triangle obtained by combining 3 parts. Now moving to next step, that is combination of more than 3 parts. If you combine part 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes, you are going to get one rectangle. 1, 2, 3, 4 will give you one rectangle. If you combine part 1, 2, 3, 4 and next is if you combine all the small parts, you are going to get one big rectangle. So only one we got with the 4 combination. And next is combining all the small parts, do you get rectangle? Yes, you are going to get one big rectangle after combining all the parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You are going to get one rectangle. Next step is you have to add all these obtained rectangles. The total number will be the answer. 5 plus 2 is 7. 7 plus 1 is 8. 8 plus 1 is 9. 9 plus 1 is 10. So total 10 rectangles present in the given figure, and we have to just cross check which option is having 10. The first option itself is having 10, so the first option is right option. Okay friends, this is how we solve this example. Now we will go to the next problem.